Feeling low about yourself? Confidence doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from showing up anyway. ચાલો આજે આપણે ઇંગ્લિશ અને કોન્ફિડન્સ બંને મજબૂત કરીએ. Everyone has self-doubt. Don't let it stop you. Start with this sentence. I am learning. I am growing. I am becoming better. હું શીખી રહી છું, હું વિકસિત થઈ રહી છું, હું બેટર બની રહી છું. Words have power. Instead of saying, I can do this, try, I will give it my best. I am getting better each day. હું શ્રેષ્ઠ પ્રયત્ન કરીશ, હું દરરોજ સારું કરીશ. Confidence grows with action. Even small steps matter. Speak even if you are not perfect. Try even if you are unsure. એક નાનકડી શરૂઆત પણ મોટી સફળતાની શરૂઆત હોય છે. Remember, you are not behind. You are just becoming. Which line made you feel stronger? Follow Ragna Patel Easy Speak English for daily confidence and English boost.